The whole house is connected by the green. So green plays a critical role in the design. What garden does actually keeps the building more alive. The way the plant reacts throughout the year and the way the different leaves brings sort of life into the building. Join me for an exclusive home tour of Tanish, a residence at Hassan.
Hi, I'm architect Sharan.
And I'm architect Ashray, a principal architect of Jamati Architecture Studio. To watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with house plans, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below. The client approached us with the requirement of a duplex house with a 5-bedroom. Okay, so they want their house to be relaxed, and once they come inside the house, they want it to be very pleasant experience out of their busy schedule.
Being doctors, we wanted to build a house which is very next to the hospital. We wanted it to be very private, spacious and very traditional.
We were very clear about having the open concept house, and we wanted a courtyard within. So we kept on looking for similar concept houses in Buildofy, and we got a lot of ideas. Yes, this is what are our likes and dislikes.
It was a bit of a 55 by 50 space which was nestled in between multiple hospitals. So we have entrance both from the north as well as from the east. So the main concept of the floor plan was based on the focal point what we have in the central courtyard and these garden spaces. Most of the windows are faced strategically in the east and north so that we get enough lighting into the house. So as the sun changes its path, the pattern on which it falls on the wall changes every day. As we enter into the house through a small courtyard, we enter into the foyer space. From the foyer space, the house opens up. The central courtyard, where this beautiful tree at the center gives a sense of focal point as well as access from the garden to the Pooja. As we can see here in this courtyard, so the courtyard not only connects the ground floor, it also connects the upper floor. That established interconnectivity in the house, and that gives a sense of closeness within the space. So we have an open Pooja which is just framed with a natural teak wood, where this is intricate carving has been done handmade. So we have used local artisans to do this work, and there are these smaller details. So the same central courtyard is also used as an informal living area which opens out into the garden. This outside space is wrapped up with the jaali work. There is a small intricate detail on the compound wall here. So these stencils create a connectivity of the traditional elements into the garden space. Coming up to the first floor, it opens into this doubleheight area, which will be the courtyard below. We have again a family room and a small balcony which connects into the courtyard below. So we have a vertical connection established in the balcony. From the first floor balcony, we can overlook into the Pooja area as well as the courtyard space. And there's a beautiful light play which happens throughout the day. All the bedrooms opens into the central courtyard, thus having the focal point. Son's bedroom is planned in such a way that it spans in the entire length of the building, where both the jaali walls on the either side comes into play to get lighting and ventilation. The study area has been raised by 6 inch and it has a low seating for him and his friends to hang out. In the front or in the north facade, we have covered it with the terracottajaali, and in the east facade, we have covered it with the cortensteel jaali. So thus it gives privacy from the neighboring buildings, and also it allows the air movement. We have a very good ventilation into the building. So when we started designing this house, so the client wanted to have the traditional value into the house, and it has to be a practical home. They wanted this house to be very earthen yet contemporary.